See, write 5 lines on cat and color the picture. The cat is a very cute pet. It is white in color. A cat has 4 legs. It eats fish and drinks milk. I love to play with my cat.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.